Hi friends, my name is Sujit Kumar. In this video, we talk about gradient color, how to create a gradient color in MS Paint. Now we start. First open MS Paint and divide the page into two parts. Just I am dividing and fill the color in both area. First I am filling this color and second side I fill this color. And now click on resize and click on pixel, then maintain accept ratio uncheck and horizontal change to 1 and click OK, and again click on resize and click on pixel and click uncheck on maintain accept ratio and again change 1 to 900. Now your radiant color is ready. Thanks guys, bye bye.